It's the elevator of the Civic Center ramp in Mankato, Minnesota. It's an MEI. This one is open. It's got a cab view going down. Here's your COP. There's the custom MEI indicator. That is a 3,500 pound capacity. Innovation decorator buttons, phone. Here's some signs. And a cab view. Very nice. Interesting layout. How it has two doors on opposite corners of each other. It's a little bit low. Bump. Nice one. Let's see how we go. 3 bar. This is the motor. Oh, that must have this door. This one. Going down again. I'm going to back up on 3R. That floor indicator's messed up. It's like M is under 2R, but then it passes it. It thinks it passes it. It's so weird. Watch the button go out. R -1. Takes forever to level, my god. The bolt switch even. Come on, let's close. It's coming. Alright, let's listen. Here are 3R. This door opens. This needs the reflex. Here we go. Ready. Once it closes. And there it goes, and let's take a quick peek at the stairs. See, it's where you have to go up a couple stairs to get to the stairs, and it goes up and down. Also, the lights are also cool. And here's the roof of the garage. Alright, that will be it.